Have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in June 2008 in France? CUI caused a pipe rupture, leading to the formation of a gas cloud, and because of that, and the areas around the plant had to be evacuated to avoid any sort of public injury and fatality. A liquefied butane pipe was ruptured due to metal loss because of CUI, and a massive leak formed a very flammable gas cloud. The root cause of incident was the cold piping at the top of the butane pipe, which was dripping water all the time on this pipe and eventually making a very localized corrosion area. So now the question is, have we learned our lessons from incidents like this? Do you know how to consider such scenario in your RBI program? Do you know how to adjust your environment factor when you see similar situations at your plant? We are RBI CUI and we produce new and interesting courses in regards to RBI and corrosion, the courses that you won't find anywhere else. We have just released the comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion Under Installation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under installation CUI. If you're interested, you can click on the link below and it will take you to a page that provides you more information about that course. See you soon.